Greetings from Florida. Here we're working on a Jag XFR X250 2009 to 2015. Got a cover on that side. You're going to take off that plastic plate right there. Plastic plate down there on the side. You're accessing, I believe, 10mm bolts on there, but we'll find out in a second. I did this one a few months ago. I'm just putting it on now. Plastic plate on that side. Videos at double speed to make it a little faster for you. Oh, looks like it was a 30mm Torx. So that's what you're taking out from the bolts. If you find this video helpful, do me a favor, go ahead and hit the like button, L-I-K-E. That'll help other people, such as yourself, find it on YouTube algorithm. Thanks. Might have been a smaller one over there. Might have been a Torx 20 on the side. Probably need an extension on this. If you hear a crunching, grinding sound when you hit the button, that's your regulator, the cables that pull the window up and down. And I think it comes with a motor. I think you get the whole thing. You're going to pull it out and then up. Take off the cable that goes to the chrome handle. Unplug the wiring harnesses that go to the switch. I think I was just showing you one of the wiring harnesses. Be careful not to yank that out because it's a thin plastic piece. You got to take it off gently. The wiring harness, I mean. So now, I'll be honest, I don't remember whether it was 30s or 20s, but it's Torx. Let's take that out. Just slide it aside if you want. I don't know, did I unplug it? And I just slid it aside instead of taking out that large harness, wiring harness. Got to bring the glass down a little bit. Looks like I was able to get the clips off the glass. You got to kind of pull them back to get them to unhinge from the glass. Regulator comes out pretty easily. You'll note that the cable is all frayed. That's why this was a problem for him on his regulator. There was a cable tie around the cables. So a plastic one. So I cut it and I can replace it with another one. Unplug. Clean out whatever's in the bottom of the door. Grab the new regulator. Notice which way is up. Those clips are what pops onto the glass. Little WD-40. I put a little bit of WD-40 on the plastic clips. It makes it easier to slide into the glass. Plug it in, make sure it's tight. Oh, I'm taking off the bolts that are going to go on. It makes it easier to get that in. Sometimes it's easier to use an awl or a punch to line up the holes. Looks like that finally went in. Tighten that, tighten that, tighten that. Get 5 bolts. Putting that cable tie, that plastic cable tie back in. Bring the glass down to the clips. A little bit of WD-40 on the 2 up and down channels every 3 or 4 months is a good idea. You don't have to soak it, just give it a quick spritz. They dry out, the run channels dry out and cause the glass to grab, so a little dab is all you need. Now I'm just trying to make sure that the glass is in those plastic clips. Looks like it is. And the rest of this is pretty simple. I'll let you finish this off by yourself. If this was helpful, please go ahead and like the video. If you have any questions, go ahead, ask right here on YouTube. I'll be glad to get to them within a day or so. And if you're in the Tampa Bay area and you'd like me to do this for you, Power Up Auto. Give us a call. I'll be glad to help you out. PowerUpAuto.com. Thanks.